If DOCU keeps sliding, this bearish options setup could pay fast. Today's free trade idea is on DocuSign, ticker DOCU, and this is one of those setups that can move quickly if the market stays weak. Most traders think you need some crazy complicated strategy to make money on a downside move. You don't. Sometimes the cleanest trade is just a defined risk bearish spread with the numbers already mapped out for you. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly why this DOCU setup stands out. The exact bear put spread, the entry, the profit targets, how the broader market is affecting this trade, and the risk you need to understand before touching it. Right now, DOCU is trading around $45.71. And the setup is a bear put spread for the May 8, 2026 expiration. Here's the trade. Buy the $46 put, sell the $40 put. Recommended fill is a net debit of $2.42. That means your max loss is $242 per spread. Your max profit is $358 per spread. So right away, this is a defined risk bearish trade. You know exactly what you can lose, and you know exactly what the upside is if DOCU continues lower. And that matters a lot in this kind of market, because volatility is elevated, sentiment is shaky, and random headline risk can hit at any time. Now here's why this trade is interesting. According to the setup, DOCU is already showing bearish conditions, and the expected move into May 8th is about plus or minus $7.22. That puts the projected range roughly between $38.49 and $52.93. DOCU's monthly ATR is $10.47, and half of that is $5.24, which helps explain why this spread is positioned below the current stock price. In other words, this is not some random guess. The trade is structured around the stock's actual movement profile, and that's the part a lot of people miss. This isn't about blindly buying puts and hoping for a crash. It's about using a spread so time decay and costs stay more controlled while still giving yourself a solid downside opportunity if the stock weakens. Now, let's talk profit targets, because this is where the setup gets really actionable. The 30% target is $3.15. The 40% target is $3.39. The 50% target is $3.63. So if DOCU starts fading and this spread expands in value, those are the levels you'd want to watch. And that's important because too many traders focus only on entry and then completely freeze once the trade actually works. But entry is only half the game. If you already know where you may want to start paying yourself, you're way less likely to make emotional decisions in the moment. Now, before we go any further, let's zoom out and talk about the bigger market picture for Monday. March 30th. The market is still trading in a nervous environment. There's ongoing concern around war risk, oil, inflation, pressure, and the possibility that all of that keeps weighing on stocks, especially names that are already showing relative weakness. When markets get headline-driven like this, bearish setups can work very well, but they can also reverse sharply on a single piece of news. And that's exactly why defined risk setups matter. Because even if your thesis is right overall, the path can still get messy. So with this DOCU trade, the idea is not that the stock has to collapse overnight. The idea is that if weakness continues, this bear put spread gives you a structured way to participate without taking unlimited downside exposure. Now here's the real question. Why DOCU and why now? Because in weak market conditions, the best bearish trades are often not the ones that look the scariest. They're the ones that are already leaning lower while the broader tape is unstable. That's where this setup gets interesting. You've got a stock at $45.71, you've got a bearish read, you've got a defined risk spread, you've got an expiration far enough out to give the move time to work, and you've got clear profit targets already mapped. That is a much cleaner situation than chasing random red candles after they've already broken down. And one more thing here. Even though this is a high probability setup, that does not mean it is guaranteed. This is not financial advice. Trading carries risk. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. Even good trades lose sometimes. Even well-structured spreads lose sometimes. And if you approach this market thinking every high-probability trade is supposed to win, the market will humble you fast. The goal is not perfection. The goal is controlled risk, disciplined execution, and consistency over time. So to quickly recap the full setup, DOC looks bearish. The trade is the May 8, 2026 bear put spread. Buy the $46 put, sell the $40 put. Recommended fill is a net debit of $2.42. Max loss is $242. Max profit is $358. Profit targets are $3.15, $3.39, and $3.63. If you like getting free daily trades like this, please like and subscribe so you won't miss the next one. And if you want all of our daily trades, join our Skool community. It's completely free for 7 days, and the link is in the description. Because one free trade is nice, but having access to all of them every day is how you stop guessing and start seeing the full picture. Stay safe and protect your capital. I'll see you in the next one.